dear student, welcome back for today's session, Computer Science, Chapter 4, Arrays and Function. Come, let me move on to the video session.
Let me start with the introduction. What is arrays? An array is a collection of similar data items arranged sequentially and stored under a common name. For example, a set of 5 different values can be stored in a single variable x. Each element in the variable can be position, that is indicated by means of a subscript or index number. Note that an array subscript starts with 0. Arrays are of two types. They are single dimensional array, double dimensional array. Single dimensional array. Array elements that are specified by one subscript are called single dimensional array or linear array. Single dimensional array is either a row matrix or a column matrix. Syntax of single dimensional array: data type, array name, and size. The single dimension, let me see one example. Integer array, that is 5. Array size is 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a compile time initialization. Integer I. Print the value for I equal to 0, I less than 5, that is I plus plus. Print, you will get the array value is, let me run and see the program. When you run the program, the values are shown as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double dimensional array. The array which is used to represent and store data in tabular form is called as double or two-dimensional array. It has a finite number of rows and columns. Syntax is data type, array name, row size, and column size. Now let me see an example of double dimensional array. It is a compile time initialization. Integer array is 4 into 3 size, that is 4 rows and 3 columns. It is given in the bracket as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. Integer I and j. That is print the values for I equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. That is less than 4 means only 4 rows. For j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. That is only 3 columns. That's why it is called as j less than 3. Print the screen. You will get the output as 4 rows and 3 columns. This is the output for the double dimensional array. User defined functions. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. The function is defined by the users according to the requirements are called as user defined function. The users can modify the function according to their requirement. User-defined functions are classified into 4 categories. Functions with no arguments and no return value, function with no arguments and with return value, function with arguments and no return value, function with arguments and return value. Let me see under each heading. Function with no arguments and no return value. A function passed without any arguments and which does not return any value is called function with no arguments and no return value. Let me see an example. Integer ABC, print enter the two numbers, scanf, that is percentage D and A and B, C equal to A plus B. Print the sum, the C you will get the answer for C. Okay, when you run the program, you will get the answer for C, that is A plus B. This is called function with no arguments and no return value. This is another method with the same formula, that is function with no arguments and with return value. So integer C equal to A plus B, print the sum of C. Integer ABC, print enter the two numbers. It will ask the output, enter the two numbers. When you enter the two numbers, automatically it will add and show the output. This is called function with no arguments and with return value. This is also another method with same formula, function with arguments and no return value. A function passed with argument and without return value to the calling program is called function with arguments and no return value. Look at the example. Integer a, b, c. Print enter the two numbers. Scanf c equal to a plus b. Return c. Void made. Integer c add. That is when you run the program, after adding it will again return to c. That is called as function with arguments and no return value. This is also another method with the same formula. Function with arguments and with return value. A function is passed with arguments and with return value to the calling program is called function with arguments and with return value. Look at the example. Integer c equal to a plus b, return c, void made. Integer a, b, c. Printf, enter the two numbers, scanf the percentage a and b. C equal to add AB. So when you run the program, automatically it will add and show the output. This is called function with arguments and with written value. Thank you, children.